I've been hearing that some people don't love their Action 5 Pro. They want to go back to their Action 4. But there are things that the Action 5 Pro have over the Action 4, right? So I'm pretty satisfied with my Action 5 Pro. I don't have to worry about dropout with the Bluetooth and all this lost audio. It is what it is, man. Look at that full moon. I thought we had a full moon like a week ago. You could capture just about anything imaginable with an action camera. We think it's a mini DSLR in our hands. I thought about putting a 1/4 black mist diffuser on to fix the issues I had early on with trumpet flares. Not at all. So we're heading on out. Like I did the last time for bagels, I'm heading out for pizza. Yeah, I'm gonna take a couple of pictures of the pizza and put it on the spin display. Look at that full moon, man. It's big. I consider this a low light shot on video mode with my settings that I mentioned so early on and put it on as a subtitle and all that good stuff. The camera does pretty fine in a low lit situation. Sunset, no sun out, coming out. Yeah, got my pizza. Off I go. It was waiting for me. I don't have to hold my camera that far. Normally we have the Christmas lights on. There's one. They're first coming on. Look at that bad boy go. Go, 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 gadget. That's how you keep pizza warm. You put the heater on the seat. Did you know that? I don't like using the QS quick snap on the camera when you auto turn on and off for the reasons of it clips and cuts off part of your video. Well, I just said a little, showed a little, did some. And on that note, time to put you away, shut you off for another day. Well, I am Fish. It's been a pleasure. Time for me to go enjoy my din din.